Well, hello sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing my pantry. So I know I've shown it before and it just kind of had a curtain over it from when we moved in, and I still am on the hunt for a really old door, an antique door to put on it. But until then, the curtain had to go and I had to figure something out. We've been living in this house since September of last year, and for those of you who don't know, it was my aunt and uncle's house, and we purchased it from my cousin. So now we're kind of just like getting into it, making it our own, or I should say my own. But my husband's really good and lets me do what I want for the most part. But the pantry, like sitting here eating and just looking at that curtain, it was just driving me insane. And then you know how it is, it's a closet. You know, you close it, things get thrown in there, everything's askew. It was a disaster. So I took it upon myself to redo it. And then the little wall that's right next to it, I'll also show you, I made a few changes there. And then I need some assistance with something. And then I'm gonna take a little survey and you guys let me know what you think. But with all that being said, let's just get right into the video. And I recently shared, if you guys are interested, my summer kitchen tour and my entryway and my living room, and I will also put those links to those videos down below, so that if you want to go back and just see some of the other changes, then you can go and do so. But let's get right into it. And here it is, and we're ready to start decorating it. Everything has been cleaned out, the shelves wiped off, and we're ready. So this is the completed look. So again, I got that kitchen sign from Hobby Lobby. And then the first shelf I used to store all my cookbooks. Some of them are vintage with some little corbels and a plant. Since they were going to be open shelves, I really wanted to, have it be versatile, but also be decorative to look at. So that's what I tried to do. Then here are those lamps, and they're touch lamps, and they have USB cords, and I'll link those down below if you're interested. And I just have my thrifted baskets with all of our canned goods. And when I'm sitting over here looking, you can't see the canned goods, so that was huge for me. Then I did end up using the curtain rod, and I just bought these cafe tiers, and behind there is, that's catnip. And then it's our microwave and just like a few odds and ends that didn't fit in the basket. But then this way, I can kind of close it and I don't have to see the microwave. And it lights up at night, so this looks really pretty. Oh, I forgot to tell you, with the top shelf, I did put in one of those full plants, but I did have another vintage crock, so I ended up just putting it up there just to give it a little bit more height up top. Then down here, so I have the other baskets, the bread box, and I did put another lamp down here, as well as another plant. I just think it looks so pretty with the open shelves to have a plant hanging down. And then I use my canisters on this side. And they are all labeled with what's inside. And then down below, I just have the rest of the baskets and some odds and ends, and another plant in a basket. And then I used the vintage picnic basket to keep all of our cats' food and treats in there. So, you know, they didn't have to be out or stuck in a cabinet. They're easily accessible. And there's little Miss Wednesday. So this is the finished product, and I just think it looks so much better than just a curtain across and everything just kind of tore up on the inside. And I have it right here. I have my little antique dry sink right next to it. And I did move over my little plant, my paper towel holder, paper plate holder, I mean. So I did put that over there. Then on this wall, I did end up using the faux wallpaper with the faux brick. And I just, for now, put this picture back up. But I am going to be doing something a little bit different over there. But I don't know, something about the brick right there, I don't know, it just appealed to me. And I just like the look altogether. I'm definitely not a minimalist by, by any means. And I just think, you know, together, let me just stand back a little bit more for you. And I think together it just looks so pretty. And then that's where the cats eat. It's a little overview. And anything I can link, I will link down below if you're interested. Of course, the things I thrifted, I can't, but everything else I think I can. Here, when you come into the kitchen, and like I sit right here. So I just kind of look at this wood wall. And I think just since it's so close to there, I was thinking about putting wallpaper on that as well. So that's what I was gonna ask your guys' opinion of. Do you think if I put the faux wallpaper over there, it would look good? I think it would. But before I did it, I just kind of wanted to get your opinion on it. But I think kind of the faux brick over there and everything else, I don't know, something about it, I just love it. It's just very calming, very peaceful, you know, very cottage farmhouse, however you want to call it. But that's it. So let me know in the comments below what you think about this wall, and I will see you in the next video on Sunday. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.